Yeah, my people, this is Jigbo Man. Please, I would like you to watch this video. Jigbo live, the main market. Hello. Yeah, I want live and direct. You prepare ya. So the video you saw now was the first video I did about this Jigbo that went viral, and it went to all over the world. Many people from different countries was contacting us about the Jigbo, and then we started selling more. Now, after that, I created the WhatsApp group, and that WhatsApp group, we have hundreds of people there, getting to 1,000. And this WhatsApp group, I have been posting everything about Jigbo. I never wanted anybody to post their business so that there will not be traffic. But considering the economy of Nigeria now, we will allow you to advertise your business, but that will start from first day to third day of every month. Okay, now you have to prepare your post for advertisement. Then remember, add your handles, and please do not send your link because we will delete it because of fraudulent activity. So our reason of doing this is to support ourselves, business owners. Please do not forget to follow us. Follow us in Facebook, Instagram, everything Jigboman. You can see our handle in our screen. So let's join hands and grow together, because my people say that unity is strength. Our YouTube is also Jigboman. Please watch and subscribe. Do not forget. This one is our own. Nkabunkai, Jigbo live and direct. Bye for now.